When it comes to high-quality cookware, Cookwin's 3.8 Quart Enameled Cast Iron Braiser stands out as an exceptional choice for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs. Crafted with the timeless craftsmanship of cast iron, this Dutch oven brings unparalleled versatility, reliability, and performance to your kitchen. Whether you're simmering stews, slow-cooking soups, or roasting meats, the Cookwin Cast Iron Braiser delivers mouth-watering results with every dish. The Cookwin 3.8 Quart Enameled Cast Iron Braiser is designed to make your cooking experience as seamless and enjoyable as possible. From its self-circulating lid to the even heat distribution of cast iron, this cookware provides the ideal environment for slow-cooked meals. The porcelain surface not only adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen, but also ensures durability, making it resistant to staining, rusting, and scratching. Whether you're cooking for a small family or prepping a hearty dish for a gathering, this Dutch oven is perfectly sized for everyday cooking and special occasions. The 3.8 quart capacity offers ample space for soups, stews, chili, casseroles, and more. Plus, it's compatible with a wide range of heat sources, including gas, electric, ceramic, induction, and even steam ovens, making it a versatile tool for all types of cooking. But what truly sets this enameled cast iron casserole pan apart is its self-circulating lid. With a unique water drop design, the lid locks in moisture, creating a self-basting effect that enhances the flavors and tenderness of your dishes. This is perfect for slow-cooked recipes that require retaining the full flavor and nutrients. Key features and benefits. The Cookwin Cast Iron Braiser is designed to accommodate 2 to 4 servings, making it perfect for families, couples, or small gatherings. Whether you're preparing a pot roast, baking bread, or simmering a flavorful stew, the 3.8 quart capacity ensures you can cook a generous amount without overcrowding the pot. The lid of the Cookwin Dutch oven features a self-circulating water drop design, which ensures that moisture is trapped inside and evenly distributed across your dish. This innovative design helps retain the flavor and tenderness of your food while preventing it from drying out. It's perfect for slow-cooked recipes that require constant moisture, like soups, stews, and braises. Crafted from heavy-duty cast iron, this braiser pan excels at heat retention and distribution, ensuring that your food is cooked evenly, even at high temperatures. The enameled finish further enhances this by creating a smooth, non-stick surface that helps you achieve perfectly cooked meals every time. The enameled porcelain surface of the Cookwin Cast Iron Braiser is both durable and non-stick, making it perfect for cooking a wide variety of dishes. The high-gloss enamel exterior ensures that the pot won't rust, while the white enamel interior prevents food from sticking, making cleanup a breeze. The enamel coating also enhances the pot's aesthetic appeal, adding a touch of sophistication to your kitchen. One of the standout features of this Dutch oven is its ability to withstand temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This high heat tolerance makes it perfect for cooking methods like roasting, broiling, and baking. Whether you're starting your dish on the stovetop and finishing it in the oven, or slow cooking over several hours, the Cookwin Braiser is built to handle it all. Whether you're using a gas stove, electric stove, ceramic cooktop, or even an induction stovetop, the Cookwin Enameled Cast Iron Braiser is compatible with all these heat sources. It also works great in steam ovens, making it a versatile piece of cookware that can be used in virtually any kitchen. Looking for the perfect gift for a friend or family member who loves to cook? The Cookwin Cast Iron Braiser makes a thoughtful and practical gift that will be appreciated for years to come. Whether it's for a housewarming, birthday, or holiday celebration, this beautiful and functional cookware will be a welcome addition to any kitchen. Why choose the Cookwin Cast Iron Braiser? The Cookwin 3.8 Quart Enameled Cast Iron Braiser offers exceptional value, combining both form and function in a way that makes it an indispensable kitchen tool. Whether you're an experienced chef or someone just starting to explore the world of cast iron cooking, this versatile Dutch oven is perfect for a wide range of cooking techniques. Its self-circulating lid, superior heat distribution, and non-stick enamel interior ensure that every dish you prepare turns out beautifully. Its durable construction, high heat resistance, and compatibility with all heat sources make it an essential piece of cookware for any home kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.